Oh yeah, what a great day it is today. Now I finally got Wallace and Gromit the Crust the Were Rabbit on DVD. I can finally watch it. That's better. Let's put the disc in and don't watch it. What the? Who's there? Who said that? Just don't watch it. It has a scary logo called DreamWorks Animation. Scary, trust me. Oh my god. There's a ghost under the bed. And you're telling me there's a logo that's gonna scare me? Just watch and see it for yourself. Okay, wait. What's this DreamWorks Animation logo? Let's see. Oh, that's why. Let me take a look. Spy, yes. Oh, come on. It's just a logo. I don't even care anyway. Oh. I don't even know why the disc is born gray. Whatever. Huh? Just put the disc in and just watch it. Okay. Jeez, looks like I have to do everything around here by myself. Oh my god. Why does this always have to do this in front of me? Oh my god. Hopefully this is gonna make me feel better. Alright, let's watch this movie. And let's see how scary this DreamWorks Animation logo is. Let's see. Oh, gotta turn up the volume. Thanks. Ooh, TT. Oh, click that. Over there. Yes. Full screen. Oh my god. Okay. Full screen. Alright. Let's see how scary this logo is. Alright. What's with this black screen? It's taking too long. Ooh, look at all these clouds. They're beautiful. Wait, why are the balloons in a boy? Wait, what's that sound? Why am I shaking? Oh no. DreamWorks Animation's beating it. Super scum. Told you.